In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop safely on eBay for used gear. Whether you're looking for a camera, a new piece of tech, or any other equipment, it's crucial to navigate the confines of eBay with care to ensure you get a great deal. Let's start by discussing how you can search smartly on the platform. When you're searching for an item, it's essential to use specific keywords. For instance, if you're on the hunt for a Sony a7 III camera, but you only need the body and prefer it used, make sure your search string reflects that. This helps narrow down the results significantly, saving you from sifting through irrelevant listings. Once you've entered your search terms, don't stop there. Apply filters to tailor the search results further. Start by setting the item's condition to used. This will eliminate brand new offerings and focus solely on the second-hand market. Next, decide whether you want to search within your region for potentially faster shipping times, or broaden your scope worldwide for more options. Choose between buy it now or auction depending on your buying preferences. Some might enjoy the thrill of an auction, while others might prefer the immediacy of buy it now. Next, it's time to vet the seller carefully. Before finalizing any purchase, delve into the seller's profile to get a better understanding of who you're buying from. Ideally, you should aim for a seller with a feedback score of 98% or higher. This generally indicates a reliable individual. A top-rated seller badge is a good sign too, as it reflects a track record of excellent service. Take your time to read comments from previous buyers, which can provide valuable insight into the seller's reputation. Also, check how long the seller has been active on eBay. Ideally, the longer the better. Once you've narrowed down potential sellers, the next step is to read the listing thoroughly. Look for detailed descriptions to understand the item's condition. Listings that specify whether an item is used, excellent, or used for parts can save you from future disappointment. Ensure the photos are of the actual item rather than stock images, giving you a clearer idea of what you're purchasing. Check what's included in the sale. Are there any additional cables, accessories, or manuals? Lastly, always review the return policy and warranty information, if available, before committing to a purchase. Finally, always use eBay's buyer protection. It's crucial to complete payments through eBay checkout to activate the eBay money back guarantee. This covers you if your item arrives damaged, isn't as described, or doesn't show up at all. Avoid off-platform payments such as direct PayPal, wire transfers, or deals arranged through WhatsApp, since they void eBay's protection. By following these steps, you can shop with confidence on eBay, ensuring that your purchase is as safe and satisfying as possible. Happy shopping!